Hello guys, this is Clint Locklear from Wolfer Nation and Trapping Radio. I am doing a retraction from the video that I put up yesterday. I'm going to talk a little bit about why. As you know, we had a contest where if you voted for John Daniels, you get all kind of stuff. And the reason we wanted that is because John Daniels is drastically needed inside of the NTA. Since that time, we've had more donations that also agree that John Daniels needs to be president, so the pot has got even bigger. And when the video went live, I got a phone call from John Daniels because he had no idea we were doing this, because this doesn't have anything to do with him asking us to do this or anything. This was completely on us to do this competition. And this is what he said. Clint, we need to change the rules, or there's a good chance that votes are going to be disqualified from the ethics board. Now, I find that interesting, which we're getting ready to talk about. But John Daniels personally asked me to change the contest if you just vote in the NTA president that you can be in the pot. Now, we're going to do that. So even if you don't vote for John Daniels, and you're messing up if you don't, but if you don't, and you vote for the other guy, which there's nothing wrong with him, we just need the right guy, you're going to be in the pot that's going to be drawn at the NTA with all this other stuff. And the pot's got bigger. We've got a custom razor blade skinning knife that Carl actually does the wood. It's a beautiful thing. That's what I personally use. Even use one in the kitchen all the time. And some of his snares. It's about $150 value that he's adding to the pot. So the $450 just went up another $150. And if you've never seen Carl's snares, people think I make good ones. When I saw his, to be honest with you, he kind of knocked my manhood down a little bit. He's got some awesome snares. And then No BS Traps is going to donate some traps to this of a value of $150. Again, I think Carl's was $185, and then No BS is $150 value. So you can see how this pile's going. We're still going to do the contest. The difference is, if you want to know why we're doing it, go watch the video that's right before this under my videos on YouTube. The only difference is now, if you want to get in the contest, you send me just the way we explain in the other video how you get in it. And it doesn't matter who you vote for, and then we're going to pull names out. This is because John asked me to. Now, I'm doing this because John asked me to, not because I want to. First question is, doesn't the other guy have anybody else out there that's willing to do something for him? That's just a basic question that I had. And apparently not. So this seems unusual to me. The other thing is, the ethics board, being the NTA, is not the police. They are not a priest. They do not have godlike powers, and they cannot arrest me. But if there's any chance of what I'm doing is going to get your vote cast out, then I don't want to be part of that, because that's just not right. So if that's the possibility, which it sounds like it would be, then everybody that votes for the NTA president can get in. We're still going to have the NTA if you sign up. I'm still doing that one too. So, but the integrity thing, guys, to bring up some of the integrity stuff, if the NTA would have been using the integrity club on a lot of this other things that's been going on with dealers and stuff like that, we wouldn't be at the place we are now, where we thought we needed to have a contest. And as far as I know, there's no rule, and I'm just playing within the rules with what I did, because it's not a federal or state election, so it is not voter fraud like it would be in a presidential. This is a group of guys that have an organization. So if the ethics board wants to call me in front of them over this, good luck on that, because there's no authority there when it comes to me. So, but I don't want it to hurt John, and I don't want it to hurt anybody's vote. So that's why we're changing it to, if you vote for anybody and you show me proof, you're going to be in the contest. I'm not doing this because I want to. I'm doing this because John asked me to. That's good.